I have an Apple Watch Series 6 here. I'm going to show you how to pair it and set it up. First thing is make sure you go to your Apple Store and download the Apple Watch app. That's what the icon here looks like. Next thing is turn your watch on. Make sure it's close to your iPhone, and then you can click on the little eye right here. Then you got to select your language. Select your region. I'm in the US. Now it says open the Apple Watch app on your phone. So again, that's what the app looks like. Let's go ahead and open that up. Then tap on start pairing. Then you have a choice. You can set up for myself or set up for a family member. I am going to set it up for myself. Now go ahead and grab your phone and you want to put it just like this. All right, your Apple Watch is paired. Now you get a choice down here. You can restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I'm going to set it up as a new Apple Watch. Where are you going to wear your Apple Watch? On your left wrist or your right wrist? I'm going to wear mine on my left. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Terms and condition, you have to agree to that. Apple ID here, you can go ahead and enter your Apple ID password now, or if you forgot it, tap down there, or you can skip this step. I'm going to go ahead and enter my Apple ID password now. Once you put in your password, tap in sign in. Verifying Apple ID, this may take a few minutes. Then tap on OK. From here, you can do things with the font and text size. You can make it bold. If I make it bold, it will show up here and on the watch. And the same thing if you increase the size, you can do that as well. I'm going to leave mine on the default right there, and we're just going to go ahead and continue from here. From here, you can create a passcode, add a long passcode, or don't add a passcode. I would advise at least add something. I'm just going to create a passcode here. Have to enter the passcode twice. And here we are at the blood oxygen, one of the main features of the Series 6. You have to have iOS 14 or above on your iPhone as well to get this, okay? We're going to go ahead and enable this. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. You can install it manually or you can just continue. I'm just going to go ahead and continue it here. Now here's the Apple Pay. You can go ahead and continue and set it up, or you can set this up later, okay? I'm just going to set this one up later. Emergency SOS, tap on continue. Clock face is here. You can always change your clock face later in the Apple Watch app. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Now here it says install available apps. Some apps on your iPhone will work with the Apple Watch. You can install all these apps now or choose the apps you want later in the Apple Watch app. I'm going to go ahead and just choose mine later. Apple Watch is now syncing. You see a status bar on here as well as over here. And this is going to take a little bit as well. All right, that took a little while. Anyway, it says welcome to Apple Watch. And over here it says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So I'm going to press OK here and then press the digital crown right there. And voila. You guys are in business and you're ready to rock and roll. Good luck.